We're at Target in Bullhead City. So they have the ground blooms, short stack, the fish on, Whimsy, Happy Trolls, all at a higher price. Morning Glories, same price. They have Delirious, Lightning Blast Assortment, $35. Used to be $30. They have the Sparklers, now $3, used to be $2. Smoke balls. Storm Shock, used to be a $10 assortment, now $13. Patriot Pack. Taco Tuesday. The Mad Trolls, still at the same price. Proud Eagle, 3-pack. And then the Mega Storm assortment was $54.99, now $59.99. And that is Target in Bullhead.